Hey loves, mabuhay! How are you all doing? It's a beautiful day because it's a collaboration with my co-YouTuber, Eriza Figueroa and Joan Suelto on TV. So, we will be talking about for this video how to take care of our body. So, for my part, I will be talking about how I take care of my skin, and for Eriza, how she takes care of her beautiful, flawless face, and for Joan, how she's taking care of her healthy, beautiful hair. So make sure to check out their channel after this video. So let's get started. I used to not take care of my skin. Hindi ako naglo-lotion, hindi ako nag-moisturize, hindi ako nag-exfoliate. I just shower and then bath lang, that's it. But I've learned that tatanda agad yung skin mo, tatanda yung itsura mo kapag hindi mo care of yung skin mo. Malaking part siya ng body mo, kaya dapat you have to take care of it. So, ito yung mga process na ginamit ko since I got here in Canada. I took care of my skin kasi different surroundings, different air, and different seasons. So, I've learned a lot of things on how I take care of my skin. So, first thing is dry brushing. This one. Have you heard about dry brushing? Ginagamit ko siya before ako maligo. That's right, before ako maligo. It exfoliate my skin like this. Papunta sa puso. Yung pagbabrush. Exfoliate. And then increase blood circulation. At saka nakakatulong siya to improve cellulite and to balance your fat deposits. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan ko lang siyang gamitin. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. After mong gamit ito, maliligo ka, it is super refreshing. So, after using the dry brushing, so, next product that I use after dry brushing, so mag-rinse akong water, and then I use this salt scrub. It's from Cake, it's milky, and it's seriously beautifying. Promise. It's smoothen your skin, and it is a moisturizing too. So, ingredients of this one is milk concentrate, oat milk, marshmallow root extract, and shea butter. What can go wrong with shea butter, right? So after kong mag-shower, pat dry, I make sure to use in the morning a sunscreen. This is 4-in-1 anti-aging formula, whitening, moisturizing, body concealer, and sunblock. And it's SPF 60. So I used to not apply sunscreen on my body. Hindi ako nag-lotion, but I've learned that nakakatanda rin yung ultraviolet from sun. So, I make sure now na gumagamit ako ng sunscreen just to protect my skin in the evening. So, what I use are these products. First, this lavender oil. Pag gusto kong matulog ng masarap, relaxing, gusto kong pang-massage sa asawa ko, it's a hydrating oil, lavender oil. It is most popular floral scent in the world. And it is known to reduce anxiety and emotional stress. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng something to help you sleep or to feel you better, lavender oil is your go-to. So, product that I use when I don't really need essential oil, I use this CeraVe. It's known moisturizing cream, very light. Ang sarap din niyang gamitin, and it's very affordable. CeraVe cream. Ito yung ano niya. As I mentioned on my recent video, which is this one, about my Amazon unboxing, I opened this Organica, which is enhanced collagen. I had one bottle already, one 500 gram, and it helps a lot on my skin, my body, my nails, my hair, and sabi ko, I really like it, and it's much needed in our body. This, lastly, most importantly, that I do to take care of my skin, my water. Yes, I finish 2 of these every day. I make sure of that para ma-hydrate yung katawan ko and at saka yung skin ko. Kasi importante na kailangan natin mag-drink ng water. So, thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure to continue watching with Eriza Figueroa's channel and Joan Suelto on TV. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next videos. Goodbye!
Came to make a party, yeah, let's go. If you ready to party,